what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got some new parts for the GT350R. As you can see, there she is. Loving it. Put the new banner on it. Bam. Did the Shelby, which I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, but I ended up really liking having the white Shelby letters. But this thing is just, I stare at it in the garage constantly. I've been driving it a little bit, but I got some new parts for today, some simple ones. Got to, was it CJ Pony Parts, seem to have the best price. So there is one thing that is always needed on a GT350, a GT350R, a Mustang 5.0, it doesn't matter, is the passenger side air oil separator. So I went ahead and purchased one of those immediately, and we're gonna install it. It says it's pretty easy. I heard it's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we will see. So let's go. We'll get down here in the box. What do we got here? All right, got my shift knob and the Ford Racing air oil separator. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up and see what's in the box, and then pop the hood, and let's get working on it. All right, so let's open this box here. Nice and gentle. Don't want these staples to hit my baby here. That's the bubble wrap. Good job, guys. I'll use that for later. All right, here is the air oil separator. 100% inspected, assembled. Take this out. All right, Ford Performance, pretty cool. Seems like it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Our connecting hose and our little flex hose here to make things a little easier. See if there's anything else in this box. Nothing else in this box. Installation instructions are online. I've read a bunch. All right, so this is what we're working with. We got to remove this to that, okay? And under this hose is that little factory clip, and you can follow this down and take this out. This is actually going to sit like right in here, because that little push tab and that push tab is going to snap into place, and then we're going to attach the hoses to that. This little tab here, you should be able to just, wow! Don't pull like I did, or at least I'm just that strong. And I don't think I'm that strong, but I could be. I have not worked out in a long time, so. All right, there's that little tab. I'm gonna go the other way. No, we're gonna go towards you. Okay, so it's not as easy as they make it look. So just do that. It's this part right here, clip towards you, and it'll come right off. Need two hands for this bad boy. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, boom, put that to the side. We are now going to take, let's see here. Normally I get these with needle nose pliers from underneath. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's try the just pop out method. It's not working. Yes, it is. Come on, pop out method. Just rock it back and forth. Well, aren't you stubborn? All right. Yeah, lots of grunting. Let's go. Oh, I see why that's. There's like many little suction cups. So that's why you give it the rock out method. Ta-da! All right, we're gonna put this to the side somewhere, please. All right, don't forget about it though. All right, we're gonna take this bad boy, see if we can get these clips in here. I know we have to move this. Line up the holes like so. Push them down. Apparently that one didn't go in. That's what she said. I don't know why this is so hard right now. I know why. Because the clip popped out. Make sure those push pins are in there. We're gonna get a screwdriver. All right, back. This should be easier than I'm making it. I mean, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Things parents say. There we go. All right, now we got us all out of the way. Let's try this again. Okay. Now she's in there. All right. Bingo. Bongo. Fits good. Looks stock. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. Now we got to connect the wires. Or the plugs here. Okay. This one is going to go on here. Click. Okay, maybe not that way. Let's try it this. Oh, yeah, see? Bam. All right. I'm just loving this factory look. All right. Now, for the last piece. Now, this one should go like this. And this. So we're going to do the flex side first. We're going to get under here. We are going to do. There we go. Nice. That works for me. All right, cool. All right, when she's done, it should look just like this. You can see in the other video, I didn't like the way that was routed, so I figured it out, turned around a bunch, and now she's routed perfectly. So that is the Ford Performance AOS install, passenger side. All right, that's it for today. Nice and easy, Shelby GT350. Gonna keep the parts coming. I got some Ford Performance racing springs to put on and a shift knob. So thanks again for watching. I know this was a quick one. Go ahead, subscribe for me. Have some comments below if I messed up or had an easier trick. But I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching Bronco Fast.